Drying laundry can be a challenge, especially if you live in a small apartment, dormitory, or RV where space is limited. Traditional dryers can be bulky and expensive, and waiting for clothes to air dry is often impractical. Fortunately, portable dryers offer a convenient solution, delivering efficient drying power in a compact design. In this video, we will explore the top 5 best portable dryers, highlighting their key features, performance, and usability to help you find the perfect fit for your needs. Let's get started. Number 1 is Euhomy Portable Clothes Dryer. Imagine having a compact yet powerful dryer that gets the job done without disturbing your peace. Sounds perfect, right? That's exactly what the Euhomy Portable Clothes Dryer delivers. With 850 watts of drying power and a 10-pound capacity, this little machine can handle more than you expect. It's quiet, energy efficient, and even reaches temperatures up to 140 degrees Fahrenheit, ensuring your clothes dry thoroughly without damaging delicate fabrics. What makes this dryer even better? It offers multiple drying modes. You've got options like cold air, warm air, hot drying, and even an air dry mode for refreshing your clothes. Plus, the see-through door lets you keep an eye on your laundry, and the 3-layer lint filter keeps pet hair and lint from spreading around. If you need a space-saving dryer that does it all, this one's a solid pick. Number 2 is Auertech Portable Dryer. Next up, we've got the Auertech Portable Dryer, which is all about versatility and efficiency. It shares a 10-pound drying capacity, but steps it up with a max heat of 149 degrees Fahrenheit, perfect for quick, thorough drying. Whether you're drying a small batch or a large load, it adapts to your needs with 5 different drying modes, including a cooling refresh mode to freshen up clothes without heat. The multi-stage filtration system is a game changer. It captures lint and pet hair like a pro, keeping your clothes looking fresh. And let's talk durability. With a stainless steel drum and a magnetic door lock, this dryer is built to last. Plus, it runs quietly, so you won't be dealing with annoying noise while it's running. If you want a dependable, high-performing portable dryer, the Auertech is a fantastic choice. Number 3 is COSTWAY Compact Laundry Dryer. Now, if you're looking for something ultra-lightweight and easy to move, it is the one to check out. Weighing just 37.3 pounds, this mini dryer is perfect for apartments, dorms, or even as a travel-friendly option. But don't let its small size fool you. It still packs 850 watts of power and can handle up to 10 pounds of wet laundry. This dryer offers multiple settings, from cool air and warm air to anti-wrinkle and hot drying modes. If you need quick drying, just stick to lighter loads for the best results. It's also designed with a quiet operation, so you can run it without disturbing your daily routine. For those who need an affordable, space-saving dryer that gets the job done, this is a great pick. Number 4 is BLACK+DECKER Compact Dryer. Moving on, we have the BLACK+DECKER Compact Dryer, which brings 1500 watts of power into a compact, easy-to-use design. This dryer has a 13.2-pound load capacity, making it slightly larger than most portable options. If you're someone who does bulk drying, this one will be a lifesaver. It also comes with 4 drying modes, giving you complete control over how you want to dry your clothes. It also includes a vent hose, an exhaust connector, so you get proper airflow, leading to faster drying. And the best part? It's plug and play with a standard 120-volt outlet, so no complicated setup is required. Whether you're drying clothes, sheets, or towels, this dryer can handle it all effortlessly. Number 5 is ROVSUN Portable Clothes Dryer. Finally, let's talk about the ROVSUN Portable Clothes Dryer, a powerful option for those who need extra drying capacity. With 1400 watts of power and a 14.5-pound wet laundry capacity, this dryer is one of the strongest in the compact category. It can reach 149 degrees Fahrenheit, ensuring quick and efficient drying even on rainy days. What makes it stand out? The stainless steel drum, forward and reverse tumble actions, and an innovative LCD touchscreen make it super user-friendly. Plus, the auto shut-off feature ensures safety by stopping the machine if the door is opened during operation. If you need a high-capacity, powerful, and feature-packed portable dryer, this is definitely one to consider. So there you have it, the top 5 best portable dryers that make drying your clothes hassle-free, no matter where you are. Whether you want something lightweight like the COSTWAY, high capacity like the ROVSUN, or a smart and efficient option like the Euhomy or Auertech, there's a perfect choice for you. Let me know in the comments which one caught your attention the most. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more product reviews.